Hi, welcome to another session of Learning with ISRAR at ISRAR'S YouTube channel. Today our topic is role of data in supply chain management, in which we will discuss data's overall role in supply chain management and then its roles in the each component or the processes of supply chain management. So now let's first identify its overall role in supply chain management. Data's primary role in supply chain management is to lend end to end visibility to all its processes and improve decision making. Its main role is in identifying loopholes or weak links of a supply chain, optimizing operations, enhancing efficiency, improving decision making, selecting right partners in a supply chain, and then processing huge or big data. After identifying its main role in a supply chain management, now let's explore how does data play its role in supply chain management by discussing its roles in the different process of a supply chain. These are the different processes in the supply chain management where data plays a very crucial role, like demand forecasting or demand planning, sourcing and procurement, suppliers management, production planning, inventory management, logistic and transportation management, customer relationship management, risk management, sustainability and compliance, and the last one is very important one is to create end-to-end visibility in a supply chain. Now let's discuss all these processes one by one and the role of data in them. The first one is the demand forecasting. Demand forecasting is the prediction of the quantity of the goods and services that will be demanded by consumer at a future point in a time. So more specifically, the methods of demand forecasting entails using predictive analytics to estimate customers' demand from historical sales data, market trends, and consumers' behavior help forecast future demand, which helps businesses to plan inventory level, reduce stockouts, and prevent overstocking to operate most efficiently. The next activity in a supply chain is sourcing and procurement. Sourcing is the process of locating products or services outside of our company or finding the supplier for those goods and services. Procurement is negotiating contracts and getting the best price for what we need. Suppliers' performance, cost analysis, spend analysis, lead times, and risk factors are monitored through data driven suppliers evaluations, which facilitate better supplier negotiation, optimize supplier selection, and improves procurement strategies by minimizing risks such as delay or price fluctuations. Another major activity in supply chain management is suppliers management. It is the collection of processes that enables a company to identify, qualify, onboard, transact, and collaborate with the right suppliers for their business. Data from suppliers regarding prices, lead times, quality metrics, and performance help in suppliers evaluation, which allows for better supplier selection, improved negotiation, and efficient collaboration with vendors. Another very important process in a supply chain management is the inventory management. It is the process of ordering, storing, using, and selling a company's inventory. This includes raw material, components, and finished products, as well as warehousing and processing of these items. So, real time data on inventory levels at different locations of supply chain, sales, and replenishment rate help optimize stock management, which helps to maintain the right inventory levels across different locations, minimizing the carrying cost and the stockouts. Logistics and transportation is another huge process in a supply chain. Logistics is the management of inbound and outbound transportation of goods from manufacturer to end user. Transportation is physically movement of the goods. Data on shipping times, modes of transportation, routes, fuel cost, and delivery performance can be used to optimize transportation, enable cost reduction through route optimization, better selection of carrier like third party logistics, improved delivery times, and real time tracking of the shipments. The most important activity in supply chain management is production, manufacturing, or operation planning. It is the planning which utilizes the resource allocation of activities of employees, materials, and machinery and production capacity in order to serve different customers' demand. That is called sales and operation planning. Data on machine performance, productivity, raw materials availability, production schedules can help streamline manufacturing process, which ensures timely production, minimize downtime, and aligns production with demand fluctuations. Distribution management is another very major part of supply chain management, where data plays a crucial role in distribution by optimizing processes, improving decision making, and ensuring efficient delivery of products or services to end customers. Like demand forecasting data allows distributors to maintain optimal stock levels and avoid overstocking or understocking. GPS and route data enables distributors to determine the fastest and the most cost effective routes. Data from vehicles like fuel consumption, driver behaviors, and vehicle conditions help in fleet management, ensuring better utilization of the resources. And then marketing data also allows companies to develop pricing strategies. Another process which is very important also is the customer relationship management. It is a process in which organizations administer their interaction with the customers, typically using data analysis to study large amounts of information. Customer data on order history, preferences, and feedback help companies better meet customers' needs to improve customer satisfaction, helps tailor offering, and enhance loyalty programs. Data plays a critical role in reverse supply chain management by improving efficiency, reducing cost, enhancing sustainability, and enabling better decision making by tracking returned products, parts, or material as they move through the reverse supply chain. Also provide reasons for return like defects, strong orders, customer dissatisfaction, enabling companies to improve data product quality and reduce future returns. Data can identify for the suitability for recycling, refurbishing, or disposal, optimizing resources recovery. It also analyzes transportation, warehousing, and labor costs associated with returns. Companies can identify inefficiencies and reduce operational costs. Another very important area in supply chain management is the risk management. It is identification, evaluation, and prioritization of risks, followed by mitigation, monitoring, and control of impact or probability of those risks occurring. So, data on geopolitical events, market conditions, and weather forecast can help predict and mitigate risk, enables proactive risk management, helping businesses avoid disruptions in supply chains. Sustainability and compliance is also another important function of a supply chain manager. So, supply chain sustainability refers to the company's effort to consider the environmental and human impact of their product's journey through the supply chain. So, supply chain compliances is when organizations comply with the applicable relevant laws, regulations, and industry standards across every stage of its supply chain. So data on energy consumption, waste production, and suppliers compliance helps in monitoring environmental impact and supports sustainability initiatives and ensures adherence to regulatory requirements. As in the beginning of our presentation, when we were defining the role of data in supply chain management, so that its major role is to create visibility. So end-to-end visibility is very important. So it refers to the ability of all supply chain stakeholders to access and view real-time data and insight about the status and location of their products from source to final destination. Integrating data from all stages of supply chain, from raw materials to end customers, provides complete visibility, enhanced transparency, enables quicker decision making, and allows for a more agile and responsive supply chain. After going through the main role of data in supply chain management and in the different activities of the supply chain management, we can say that data in supply chain is essential for optimizing operations, minimizing costs, improving service levels, and increasing supply chain agility. It helps transform supply chain into more dynamic, transparent, and efficient systems. Thank you for listening this presentation, and I hope you have a understanding about the role of data in supply chain management. In next presentation, we will talk about the source of these data from different areas and their documents to do the system analysis of a supply chain thoroughly. So till that, thank you for your time and listening, and take care.